Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the immediate state. Check Bluetooth and airplane mode so you're not chasing a phantom connection. Once done, open the Earbuds app or your phone's Find My feature to see the last known location and timestamp. That tells you where to start searching. Make sure location services and Bluetooth scanning are enabled so your phone can detect low-power signals. This reduces wasted time and gives a reliable baseline for the next steps while explaining why proximity matters for detection. You now execute the active search. Trigger the app sound or ping feature and listen for beeps while moving slowly. As you walk, watch the signal strength or distance indicator. Stronger signals mean you're getting closer, so pause at peaks to sweep the area. If no sound plays, use your phone's Bluetooth RSSI reading or a third-party scanner app to triangulate direction. Also inspect pockets, bags, the charging case, and under cushions, because earbuds often fall into soft, hidden recesses during disconnection. You finish by running a systematic grid search. Divide the area into zones, clear items methodically, and rescan after moving things because small devices shift. If you suspect public loss, notify staff and enable lost mode in the app so someone can contact you. Display a message with a number when possible. If the earbuds remain missing, try resetting and repairing once you're confident of battery state and firmware. And as a last resort, prepare a replacement or warranty claim. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.